Hello, and welcome to Top 10 City, where we give the best top 10 lists. Today, we're counting down the top 10 weirdest geography facts that you have never heard before, so let's dive right into it. At our number 10 spot, did you know that the shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes? It happened between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. The conflict arose when Zanzibar's Sultan, Khalid bin Bargash, refused to replenish power and barricaded himself in the palace. In response, the British unleashed their naval firepower, bombarding the palace and reducing it to rubble in less than an hour. Talk about a speedy victory. This lightning-fast war took place on August 27, 1896, and is officially recognized as the shortest recorded war in history. The British forces, commanded by Rear Admiral Harry Rawson, bombarded the Sultan's palace with precision, using 3 cruisers and 2 gunboats. The swift and decisive action by the British forces effectively ended the Sultan of Zanzibar. At our number 9 spot, did you know that the highest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls in Venezuela? Standing at a staggering height of 979 meters or 3,212 feet, Angel Falls is a breathtaking sight to behold, but here's the twist. During the dry season, strong winds blow the water upwards, creating a stunning natural phenomenon known as the waterfall's breath. It's like witnessing nature's own magical dance. Angel Falls is located in Canema National Park in Venezuela's Gran Sanabana region. The falls were named after American aviator Jimmy Angel, who was the first to fly over the falls in 1933. The water originates from the Chuchuran River and plunges down the Ayuan Tepui, one of the world's largest tabletop mountains. At our number 8 spot, brace yourself for an intriguing geographical point. There's a place called Point Nemo in the Pacific Ocean, known as the Oceanic Pole of Inaccessibility. It's the furthest point on Earth from any land. The closest humans to this point are usually astronauts aboard the International Space Station, making it an incredibly remote and isolated spot on our planet. Point Nemo is located about 2,688 kilometers or 1,670 miles from the nearest island, which is the Ducie Island of Pitcairn Islands. The name Point Nemo is derived from Jules Verne's famous character Captain Nemo, who explored the depths of the ocean in 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. It was chosen to reflect the isolation and inaccessibility of this point. At our number 7 spot, prepare for a curious territorial situation. Did you know that Liechtenstein, a small country in Europe, is doubly landlocked? It shares its borders with Switzerland to the west and Austria to the east, making it the only country in the world with this unique geographic characteristic. Being landlocked means that a country has no direct access to the sea or ocean. While there are many landlocked countries in the world, Liechtenstein's double landlocked status sets it apart. Despite its small size, Liechtenstein boasts a strong economy and is known for its picturesque alpine landscapes and charming medieval castles. At our number 6 spot, get ready for some mind-boggling geography. In northwestern China, there's a place called the Singing Sand Dunes. These towering sand dunes in the Gobi Desert create a phenomenon where the shifting sands emit a low-frequency humming sound, resembling the sound of a distant aircraft or a musical instrument. It's a mysterious and captivating experience, like being a symphony of nature. The Singing Sand Dunes can reach heights of over 100 meters or 330 feet and cover an area of about 40 square kilometers. The exact mechanism behind the sound production is still not fully understood, but is believed to be caused by the movement of the sand grains and the unique properties of the dune's composition. The sound can be heard on windy days when the conditions are just right. At our number 5 spot, brace yourself for an unexpected island. Did you know that the Republic of Nauru is the only country in the world without an official capital? This small island nation in the Pacific Ocean has no designated capital city. Instead, the government offices are located in the Yiran district, which acts as the de facto capital. It's a unique administrative arrangement that sets Nauru apart. Nauru is the third smallest country in the world by land area and is known for its rich phosphate deposits. Despite its small size, the country has faced environmental and economic challenges due to the depletion of its natural resources. Nauru's lack of an official capital reflects its relative recent history and the unique circumstances it has faced. At our number 4 spot, we head to Canada and New Brunswick to find Magnetic Hill. It's a gravity hill where the layout of its surrounding landscape creates an optical illusion, making cars appear to roll uphill against the force of gravity. It's a perplexing phenomenon that challenges our understanding of physics and gives you a taste of the bizarre. When you reach Magnetic Hill, you can put your car in neutral and it will seemingly defy gravity by rolling uphill instead of downhill. This puzzling illusion has attracted curious visitors for years, and scientists continue to study the unique geophysical characteristics of the area to understand the underlying causes. It's a truly mesmerizing experience that will leave you questioning the laws of physics. At our number 3 spot is the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, which is one of the hottest places on Earth and is often referred to as the gateway to hell. This geological active region is characterized by its otherworldly landscapes, including brightly colored mineral deposits, lava lakes, and sulfurous hot springs. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie set. The Danakil Depression is located in the far region of Ethiopia, near the border with Eritrea and Djibouti. It sits at the junction of 3 tectonic plates and is one of the lowest points on the African continent. The extreme heat, geothermal activity, and inhospitable conditions make it a challenging but fascinating destination for adventurous travelers and scientists studying the Earth's geology. At our number 2 spot, let's travel to an aquatic enigma. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous ships and aircrafts have mysteriously disappeared over the years. The exact cause of these disappearances remains unknown, leading to a wide range of theories and speculations, including magnetic anomalies, extraterrestrial activity, and even paranormal phenomena. The Bermuda Triangle is roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, forming a triangular area in the Atlantic Ocean. Despite its reputation, many experts argue that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is not statistically higher than in any other part of the ocean. Nevertheless, the mystery surrounds this area has captured the imagination of people around the world. Finally, we've reached number 1. Prepare for a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is still growing? This iconic mountain, standing at a jaw-dropping height of 8,848 meters, or 29,031 feet, is part of the Himalayan mountain range, is a symbol of human determination and adventure. Mount Everest is located on the border of Nepal and China, or Tibet, and is a popular destination for mountaineers from around the globe. Due to tectonic plate movements, the height of Everest is increasing by approximately 4 millimeters, or 0.16 inches per year. This gradual growth adds to the awe and fascination associated with this majestic mountain. Thank you for listening to Top 10 Cities list of the top 10 weirdest geography facts. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the fascinating and unexpected aspects of our world. Stay tuned for more incredible discoveries in the realm of geography.